Okay, this is how to take apart a 95 or 96 250 big red starter. Mostly you need is a Phillips screwdriver. In my case, I got there's one stripped out, so I got them cut, and I can use them for as a flat top now. The nut cut. This side, that your brushes and that's going to be in. Get all out. Make sure you don't break your brushes. There's another plate right here. This is the plate that your brushes and that is on. So grab this plate. All's out. A 9 chance out of 10 if you try your starter, it's not working. As you can see, those two pieces right there, those are your brushes. This one here, another one right there. You see now those are wore down to pretty much nothing. That's the reason your starter is not working. As you can see, this one is wore down a fair bit. You look at this one. This one's up a nice bit left to it. Now to reassemble. Plug it in. If you got two new brushes, you're probably going to put your starter in and use your flat top screwdriver to push the brushes in to get this one back in. For me, I can just leave them slack. I can put in here first, then push against my brushes and go back into the hole that's there. Push down on them. Now as I'm putting this back together, I look down through and see if my screw holes are lining up, so you can see right through the starter. As of right now, I can't see through the starter, so I have to move it for the screw holes to line up. I'm going to take it off, but your screw hole get along with that plate too. Don't know if you can notice or not, but you can see. There you go. You can see right through. I'm going to put my one bolt in this side, so it comes all the way up through. I'm going to line up them screw holes with that screw I just put to. use one side, then you might have to adjust it a little bit for to get this one to line up. See, now it's going in. Now he's back together. Now to test it, to see if he works. Me, I have a battery charger. It says 2 amp, 12 amp, or 75 amp engine start. The engine start is like booster cables. If you don't have one of these with engine start on it, you can use a set of booster cables or a booster pack, 300 amp, 500 amp booster pack. So I put it over here on the 75 amp engine start. I put my negative on this clip, and positive, just tap it on this one. Starter's working. Now I have put them back together. Even with the brushes are good. Sometimes when you screw them back in tight, he sticks. And what I would do there, I'm just using my vise and take 2 small pieces of wood, so you don't screw up your splines on your starter. And I would just nip it into the vise and just take it and turn it. Because sometimes when you put it back together, your brushes do stick. And you take this one, nip it in the vise, and turn it. And then you try it on your booster pack or your whatever again for power, and it should work. And that's how to take a starter apart, a starter, put it back together, and make sure it's working.